Well, it seems that the gladiolus are flopping again this year. It's happened the last couple of years. It didn't happen prior to this, and they are knocking over the Echinacea. So what I'm going to do is start cutting back these gladiolus that are knocking over the Echinacea and see if I can't support the Echinacea back into an upright position. And all the gladiolus are cleaned up. There's just a couple left with a few blooms, but I have also partially propped up the Echinacea with what I had available, and I think this is looking particularly nice now. Since I was out here, I decided to deadhead the rose. I haven't been out here in a few weeks because of work. And as I was deadheading, I noticed this one particular set of flowers that were significantly different than what I typically get off this plant. So I followed this stem down to the base. Follow this stem down to the base. It goes to here. And I believe this is part of the graft rootstock, and that is why I am getting an unusual bloom compared to the normal Atlas rose. So I'm going to remove this stem. This was a very pretty stem of flowers and quite a strong stem, but I have removed it. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.